Hello and welcome everyone to this video. Today we are going to discuss about a book naming AutoCAD 2019 Training Guide written by LInkan Sagar and Nishant Gupta, and published by BPB Publications. This book majorly focuses on the new version of the AutoCAD, how it is better than the other version and what new technology and things are added to the book, which can help to get the things done easily. So let's just move inside the book and check out what are we having. The book begins with a quick introduction about the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design, CAD, and drafting software application. Developed and marketed by Autodesk, AutoCAD was first released in December 1982 as a desktop app running on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Then it moves forward to the overview of the AutoCAD, how it exactly looks like, and for the very first time this book has introduced a welcome screen in its version of 2019. The welcome screen provides easy learning, starting and exploring AutoCAD. Without wasting much of the time, this book moves forward to the draw tools and covers each and every draw tool with a graphical representation, so readers may not face difficulty of which tool the book is telling about. While working with AutoCAD, you'll quickly run into situations that require you to use modify tools. As the name suggests, modify tools are used to modify existing lines and objects. AutoCAD has a whole range of modify tools. This book will explain about each and every modify tool, such as move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, break, and about many more. A step-by-step approach is provided for every tool in the book. After this we are moving to the annotation part. Annotations allow you to communicate your design intent. The annotative feature is a great time-saving and productivity tool that should be used in the drawing wherever required. The book focuses on providing each topic of annotation on detail, and that the graphics help how to understand more quickly. Inquiry commands are the best way to measure the geometrical features of an object. Dist, volume, and area. Moving further in the book we have parametric drawing. Parametric drawing is a technology that is used for designing with constrained objects. Constrained objects are associations and restrictions that are applied to 2D geometric objects. In the design phase or even in the concept phase of a project, we need to make sure that certain design parameters are met and kept. Constraints help us maintain our design criteria. You will learn about the constraints in detail in this book, and how to manage them. Now we have in this book is 3D modeling. So why do we need a 3D modeling? Today, technology has made it possible to link our imagination a bit closer to the reality, and it can be done by 3D modeling, printing, rendering and more. If you're new to the AutoCAD 3D and you've been working in 2D until now, you need to do a couple of things before you can start a new 3D model in AutoCAD. You have to change the workspace, and then you have to open a new file by using a 3D template. This book will give you brief about all the 3D objects like box, cylinder, helix, cone, pyramid and many other. Apart from this you will learn about some of the 3D modify tools which will help you to modify the objects according to your need. At the last the book concludes with the 3D surface and mesh. Surface modeling provides the ability to create and edit associative and NURB surfaces. A surface is a 3D object that is an infinitely thin shell. There are two types of surfaces, procedural and NURBS. Procedural surfaces can be associative, maintaining relationships with other objects so that they can be manipulated as a group. NURB surfaces are not associative. Instead, they have control vertices that allow you to sculpt shapes in a more natural way. Use procedural surfaces to take advantage of associative modeling, and use NURB surfaces to take advantage of sculpting with control vertices. A mesh model consists of vertices, edges, and faces that use polygonal representation, including triangles and quadrilaterals, to define a 3D shape. Okay, so that's all for this book. This book is short, lively and based on the real platform. Using real-world and imagined examples, it takes the reader through content designing process explaining everything along the way. Projects have been explained is a step-by-step manner with the commands along with a lot of new features. Hope you have liked the video about the book. You can buy the book from the link given in description. Please like and share the video.